Okay, so continuing with our previous video. So what does quality apply to? So quality applies to everything. So every product, every service, every process, every task, every action that we do every day, and every decision requires quality. Everything, quality applies to everything in an organization, which can be judged in terms of its quality. How good is it? It is good enough. How can we make it better? So whatever you see, whatever you do in a day, quality applies to everything. It may start from just making a simple Excel sheet for your organization till the time you deliver certain service to your patient, or a small counseling session for your patient, or just greeting a good morning to a patient. So everything applies quality, whether you are meeting all your requirements on a daily basis. These are all the part of the quality process. So quality applies to everything. Who is responsible for quality? So that's a very important question, that who is responsible for quality? So is it the nurse who is responsible for? Is it the doctor that is responsible for? Is it the CEO the responsible for? So let's see who is responsible for quality. Everyone from the CEO to the intern is responsible for quality of what they do. So every person in an organization, from the CEO till the entire human resource who is the part of the team, is responsible for quality, because every person in an organization is doing their bit of share in providing the service to the customer, directly or indirectly, right? So either they are doing by direct contact with the patient or by indirect contact of the patient, but ultimately they are delivering the service to the customer indirectly or directly. So therefore they are responsible for quality in the organization. Different people will have responsibility or influence over different things that affect the quality of an organization's output. Yes, such as specifying requirements, meeting those requirements, or determining the quality of something. So you see, the line very well says that it is the different people will have different responsibility, right? And they will affect the service delivery in one or the other way. So you have to meet whatever things you do, whatever work you are responsible for, you have to meet those requirements, and you have to make sure that you are meeting the quality requirements so that you can meet the customer's expectations. So who is a consumer? So consumer may focus on the specification quality of a product or service, or how it compares to the competitors on the marketplace. Yes, so consumer will always do one thing, is that they will always look after what kind of product or what kind of service you are delivering it, how good is it, and how much competitive it is with your competitors, whether your competitor is giving it much in a much better way, or whether you are giving it in a much better way. Because for them it will be always the best quality. Wherever they get, they'll go there, right? But if they are assured that yes, this is the hospital, your hospital is the one hospital who never fails in giving the quality product, they will never go to another organization, because the trust is built in them. So they'll blindly they will expect that yes, they will never judge your organization with the other organizations, right? So we need to always remember that consumer always focuses on the specification of the product or the service that is being delivered to them, and they will always compare your service and products with your competitors. So you have to make sure that we are the best in every step. Producer. So producer might measure the conformance, quality, or degree to which the product or service are produced correctly. So support personnel may measure quality in degree that the product is reliable, maintainable, and sustainable. Yes, so whoever is consuming, we have already discussed. So producer, what they do, producer has got a specific terms of requirements that is already there, and they will make sure that all the requirements are being conformed to for that product or for that service. And you will also see that what is the degree to which they are conforming to that particular requirement. Yes, and according to that they will deliver the service. And they will also see that what is the cost and benefit analysis, and they'll see if it is creating value for that customer and whether they are competitive enough in the market. So this is what about who is responsible for quality. It is everybody in the organization who is responsible for quality, right? And everything, every product, every process, every task, everything that you do in every day in your organization, quality applies to that. So this is about quality products and services. I hope I am understandable. Thank you so much.